In a 30-60-90 triangle, the hypotenuse is twice the length of the shorter leg. Since the shorter leg has a length of 10, the hypotenuse has a length of 2, 10 equals 20. Factoring the numerator and denominator of the given expression yields 3x, x2, / x plus 2, x2. Since x is not equal to 2, then the x2 terms cancel, leaving 3x divided by x plus 2. Therefore, the expression is equivalent to a/x plus 2 when a equals 3. We can solve for x by adding the two equations together. Notice that the y terms will cancel out. X plus 2y plus x2y equals 6 plus 4 or 2x equals 10. Dividing both sides by 2, we get x equals 5. The circumference of a circle is given by the formula c equals 2 pi r, where r is the radius. We are given that c equals 12 pi, so 12 pi equals 2 pi r. Dividing both sides by 2 pi gives us r equals 6. To solve for x, we can use elimination. Multiplying the second equation by 3, we get 3x plus 6y equals 3. Adding this equation to the first equation, we get 5x equals 15. Dividing both sides by 5, we get x equals 3. Factoring the quadratic equation, we get x2, x4 equals 0. The solutions to this equation are x equals 2 and x equals 4. The sum of these solutions is 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. To solve for x, we can multiply both sides of the equation by x1, which gives 2x plus 3 equals 5, x1. Distributing the 5 on the right side gives 2x plus 3 equals 5x, 5. Subtracting 2x and adding 5 to both sides of the equation gives 8 equals 3x. Dividing both sides by 3, we get x equals 8/3, or x equals 2, 2/3. The only choice that matches this value is choice B. A 30-60-90 right triangle has special side ratios. The hypotenuse is twice the length of the shorter leg. Therefore, the shorter leg is half the length of the hypotenuse, which is 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. The sum of the roots of a quadratic equation of the form ax superscript 2 plus bx plus c equals 0 is equal to b/a. In this case, a equals 1 and b equals -6, so the sum of the solutions is dash, -6/1 equals 6. The area of a circle is given by the formula a equals pi r superscript 2, where r is the radius of the circle. Since the diameter is 10 centimeters, the radius is 5 centimeters. Substituting 3.14 for pi and 5 for r in the formula yields a equals 3.14 * 5 superscript 2 is equal to 3.14 times 25 equals 78.5. Since 3 of the 10 friends do not have a valid driver's license, 7 do have a valid driver's license. Therefore, the probability that the first friend chosen will be a valid driver is 7/10. The daily rental cost is 40, so for D days, the cost would be 40D. Adding the one-time insurance fee gives the total cost, 40D plus 20.